Would you like to take $3 million cash today or 1 cent that doubles every day for 31 days? You have to be honest. You would take the cash $3 million, won't you? That is why most people stay average. This looks stupid at first. Day one, 1 cent. Same way, continue. Day 5, 16 cents. And on day 10, you will accumulate only $5. Still, you will think that choosing $3 million cash would be a wise decision, won't you? Because nothing exciting is happening with the second option. So now wait for it. Day 20, it will be around $5,000. Day 25, it will become over $150,000. Now it's getting interesting, but here is the shock. On day 31, this will be over $10 million. Yes, day 31, over 10 million. More than 3 times of $3 million you almost chose. So you quit too early. Success works exactly like this: slow, invisible, boring, until suddenly it is unstoppable. But most people quit on day number 10. So the idea is to stay consistent. The difference between failure and success: just a few more days of not quitting, which is the cost. That is the central idea of the book Compound Effect by Darren